Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and flipping through the Herbal Tarot. This is by Michael Tierra and Candis Cantin. It's published by US Game Systems, and I don't know how much it retails for. I want to say it's under $20. I don't remember, and it's not on the box, but it's made in Italy. All right, so it's kind of an older deck, but I'm excited about it because I am a gardener and I wanted to integrate more herbs that maybe I don't know about or not well versed in into my garden this year. So I'm so excited to get into this to integrate both the tarot energy as well as the herbs and learn about that a little bit more this way. So on the side it says the Herbal Tarot deck created by Michael Tierra and designed by Candis Cantin integrates the healing properties of traditional herbs with the symbolism of tarot. A different herb is identified and illustrated on each card. So this is a tuck box. I don't hate it. I have a couple decks that are tuck boxes. So, you know, it's not a negative on this part at all. I did take the wrapping off just so you didn't have to see me struggle. This is the instruction booklet, the little guide deck, or guide to the deck, I should say. And it is pretty tiny, this print, which I understand. It's a little tiny booklet and you want to fit a lot into one little space. But, you know, it is a little tiny. So what I did as well, I purchased separately the Spirit of Herbs. This is a guide to this deck. However, it's more in depth and the print is a lot bigger. So it goes more into depth about the specific properties and more information of the herbs that are displayed on the card. So I'm really excited about that. It goes more, or it informs you a lot more about that, which, you know, is all in one, which is fantastic. So I highly recommend if you are interested or can feel connected to this deck to maybe check out and buy the guidebook as well. It might help you out a lot more than this little guy. And we will look at this once we're done flipping through. Anywho, let's get into it. Here is the back. Ooh, this looks like rosemary. It's probably not, but it looks like rosemary to me. Okay, here we go. The Herbal Tarot. This is the little introduction card. The path of the herbalist is to open ourselves to nature in an innocent and pure way. She, in turn, will open her bounty and reward us with many valuable secrets. May the earth bless you. Oh, I love that. All right, here we go. The cardstock feels really good. It's not flimsy. It's really nice. There are some borders on here, which I don't hate. It's not terrible. They're not super distracting. Oh, I love me a peony. Oh, they're so pretty. So very similar Rider-Waite-Smith imagery here. I love that sage is the high priest. Got some bums out. It's almost like it's a colored pencil. I like that. I really like how they have the name of the herb on the card too. That just helps out a lot. Okay, so they do have some different names down here for the major arcana. So medicine wheel would be the Wheel of Fortune. Suspended person, okay. Oh, kelp! Oh my goodness, wow. I like that. Oh. Okay, I like this death card. Oh, interesting. It's a very interesting devil card using pan. Okay, I don't hate it. Garlic for the tower. Okay. Oh, wow. Well, all right. Oh, okay, so we're going backwards. Let's see. Are we going backwards? Yes, we're going backwards. So instead of ace, starting with the ace, we're going to flip through starting with the king. All right. Lady slipper. I feel like this will give another layer to the meanings as well, using the herbs in the cards. Ooh. Valerian. Huh. I am enjoying this deck so far. I don't know, do you own this deck or is this on your wish list? I'm curious to know what you guys think about this deck. Okay. Oh, chamomile. I have some chamomile seedlings growing or starting. I just put them in their little greenhouse, the little like starter greenhouse things yesterday. So I'm excited. Hopefully they thrive. Ooh, cinnamon. Oh, what a perfect pairing. Okay. Wow. Oh, it tells you this one is a poisonous herb. Do you say herb or do you say herb? I switch between the two and I don't know what would be correct in my dialect because I'm from California. Sassafras. Very cool. Hawthorn. Hawthorn always reminds me of Harry Potter and the wands. Cute. Oh, I love basil. Tomato, basil, so good in mozzarella cheese. Yarrow, again, reminds me of Harry Potter. I don't know why. Lady's mantle. Very interesting. Oh, they actually have marijuana in this one. Okay. Very cool. Oh, that's precious. Oh. Oh, I love that. Dark grapes. There's ginger. I was wondering when that was going to show up. Hops. Ooh. I like that. That's 6 of Pentacles. Okay. Oh, and there's mugwort. Yeah, some of these I'm like, what? Don't know what that herb is. Whole grains, Ace of Pentacles. Oh, I love it. Okay, let's shuffle. Ooh, I like it. Very smooth. go. And one more for good measure. All right. I like how this shuffles. I like it a lot. It's just like a little gloss coating on it. As you can see, the reflected, just a smidge. It's not terrible. So I don't mind this at all. Ooh, it shuffles really nice. Like, I don't want to stop. Okay. So this is the one that came out. We've got Pan, the Devil card. We'll just put that right there for now. First, let's read from this little book, and then we'll take a sneak peek at the big book here. Okay, so lobelia, the herb here, is an antispasmodic, a stimulant, an expectorant, and a nauseant. It is used for asthma, lung problems, relieving spasms, nervous tension, and cramps, and to induce vomiting. Capricorn, ruled by Saturn. Symbolically used for breaking up old patterns, letting go of cares and worries, more playfulness. The divinatory meaning would be playfulness, frivolity, make-believe, getting loose, lightening up. Reverse meanings, revulsions, betraying one's own secrets and speaking foolishly, and hanging on to things that have little truth or reality. Okay, now let's just take a quick peek into this big old book here, and I just passed it. There we go. There's so much more information here. So let's see. We got keywords here. Need to lighten up, not taking oneself so seriously. Need to break up old patterns, let go of cares and worries, and play more. Spilling out of oneself inappropriately. Hanging on to things that have little truth or reality. So basically the keywords are what were in that book. Spiritual properties, basically the same stuff. This herb has the capacity to move the stuck chi energy in us and will assist us in finding the inner peace we need in order to face our greatest adversary, ourselves, without panicking. All right. Pan, ruled by Capricorn, is the goat man nature god. With his fiery zest for life, he frolics and plays in the forest and pastures. He respects nature as the force of all life. The word Pan means all. Pan understands nature's rules and restrictions, and within her bounds, he finds joy and freedom. He asks us to look at our lives, and to see the laws of nature with which we are not in harmony. He wants us to realize that the rules of nature apply not only to the external world, but to the very core of our inner self as well. Pan may look like our adversary, but he is none other than our innermost self, asking us to look at our addictive behaviors, unconscious attachments, and self-imposed limitations. He wants us to get down to the true facts about our lives and not take ourselves too seriously. The word panic is derived from Pan and means fear and terror. I can read, I swear. And terror caused by Pan. Many times we see key 15, we do panic, but Pan wants us to cultivate a sense of humor and mirth about ourselves. He tells us to laugh and be joyful with our lives. He wants us to lighten up and not take it all too seriously. We truly need Pan to butt us back into the balance when we get stuck in our ways. Okay, so a lot more information in this little book than in the instruction booklet here. However, you do get pretty decent information in this as well. So my thoughts, my opinions, my views on this deck. I really like it. I'm not going to lie. I think it is good for beginners as well as whatever level, because there's a lot in the imagery, and it is very similar to the Rider-Waite-Smith with that imagery. However, you do get a lot more information and a lot more layers with the herbs that are added here. So I really do enjoy this deck. I think it's great. I think it's got a good energy about it. And I think that you can probably learn a lot more than just tarot with this deck. So that's what I'm excited about. I'm excited to tap into a lot more of the herbs that I'm not familiar with this deck, and, get involved with that energy. That's so exciting. I would love to know what you guys think about it. If this is on your list, or is it on your list now? Yeah, let me know what you think down in the comment section. It's always fun to see. And with that being said, everyone, thank you so much for spending your time with me and having fun flipping through this. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. All right, everyone, take care, drink your water, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.